Israel.
Percentage of non-minorities.
Everybody rubbish, same you in Israel.
I'm not rubbish.
You
Stop
rubbish.
telling me I'm rubbish.
Yeah, don't.
I'm getting upset. I'm not rubbish.
Everybody rubbish, same you in Palestine. Not in Israel يا بهايم يا ولاد الكلب. No. Never Israel.
These words are mine.
Only Palestine. Only Palestine
And Israel.
and Israel.
Palestine and Israel.
Listen يا donkey.
Palestine and Israel.
Listen يا حمار. إسرائيل ذات نام نبي الله يعقوب.
Donkey.
على you big donkey.
And speak English.
حمار ونتنياهو
Israel's a democracy.
وأوباما نفسه حمار.
You can go for free and
أكبر
get
حمار.
English lessons. The government gets free English lessons to recent immigrants. Go and learn English.
ما أنا قلت له تعالى أوباما. قلت له تعالى أوباما إزوى الرد. هنشغلك شيف في مطعم الأرض.
Thank you for illuminating us.
Israel's a
I'm
democracy.
not a wizard. I'm not a donkey. I'm not a liar.
Big liar يا donkey.
I'm not a big liar. I'm not a little liar. I'm not any kind of liar.
rubbish.
I don't tell lies. And I'm not rubbish.
rubbish. rubbish.
No.
rubbish يا
Oh
حمار.
no, I'm
يا
not.
إسرائيلي يا
Oh no, I'm not.
rubbish.
Don't get too close.
rubbish.
You have wandering hands.
donkey. No! Give! Big liar. Big
I'm not a liar.
big liar يا نتنياهو.
I'm not a liar.
دوك شارون ازاي مات ابن الكلب الملعون.
This man is going to give you one lie that
You're a
I
liar.
said. Tell everyone the one lie. Come on, tell everyone the lie.
Liar.
Is that your neighbour? Is that
You
Yeah.
can't name one
Is
lie.
that your neighbour?
قول له حمار.
Is that
You
your
can't
cousin?
name one lie.